The error code 0x80070005 is a common issue that can occur when trying to update or install NVIDIA drivers, and it's typically related to permission issues or access being blocked. Here are several solutions to fix the issue on Windows 11. 1. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Windows has a built-in troubleshooter that can help identify and fix issues related to updates. Step 1. Open Settings by pressing Windows +I. Step 2. Go to System Troubleshoot other troubleshooters. Step 3. Find Windows Update and click Run. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to let Windows attempt to fix any issues automatically. 2. Check for administrator permissions. The error code could be due to insufficient permissions. Make sure you have admin rights. Step 1. Right-click the Start button and select Windows Terminal, Admin, or Command Prompt. Admin. Step 2. If prompted by User Account Control UAC, click Yes. Step 3. Run the following command to give yourself administrative privileges for all drivers. ICACLs, C Program Files NVIDIA Corporation, grant run username %F, tucked in replace C or Program Files NVIDIA Corporation with the correct path to your NVIDIA folder if it's different. 3. Disable antivirus and firewall temporarily. Sometimes third-party antivirus programs or firewalls can block driver installations. Temporarily disabling them might solve the issue. Step 1. Right-click on your antivirus program's icon in the taskbar and select Disable or open the program and disable real-time protection. Step 2. If you're using Windows Firewall, you can go to Settings Privacy and Security, Windows Security, Firewall and Network Protection, and temporarily turn off the firewall. Use the NVIDIA GeForce Experience to update drivers. If you're having trouble updating drivers via Windows Update, try using the NVIDIA GeForce Experience software. Step 1. Download and install NVIDIA GeForce Experience from NVIDIA's official website. Step 2. Open GeForce Experience and sign in. Step 3. Go to the Drivers tab, click Check for Updates, and install the latest driver. Contact NVIDIA support. If the problem persists, it may be worth contacting NVIDIA support for further troubleshooting, especially if the issue is related to hardware incompatibility or specific driver issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the error 0x80070005 and successfully install or update your NVIDIA drivers on Windows 11.